Everybody, there is a conspiracy afoot. The scientific community is at it again. Remember when they came up with evolutionary theory? Okay, so there was a lot of fabricated evidence there, including the geological column, millions of transitional forms, and DNA similarities among different species, but now they've gone way too far. They want us to believe in an invisible force called gravity. And you know what? They have no proof that it's real. They actually expect us to fall for this shit again. Well, no sir, we are not going to jump onto the gravity bandwagon. We creationists are critical thinkers, so let's sort out this debacle. First of all, we know that gravity is only a theory, and as we all know, a theory is just a guess. A theory is not a model based on prior observations that makes predictions about future phenomena, nor is it the highest level of understanding within a scientific context. If scientists have told you that, it is a lie. A theory is just a guess. Second of all, gravity can't be real. Have you ever seen gravity? Of course not. When you drop something, all you're seeing is an object fall. What makes you think that there's a force behind falling objects? You've never seen the force of gravity, have you? Just like evolution. You've never seen macroevolution, so obviously evolution is a lie. Just like gravity. Of course, evolution is a better constructed lie than gravity, and there are several reasons for this. First of all, the basic unit that supposedly drives evolution is nucleic acids, and we know that those exist because we've seen them. With gravity, however, we've never seen the basic unit that causes gravitation. I mean, sure, scientists think that there's a particle called a graviton that is responsible for creating gravitational fields, but have they ever seen it? Of course not! There is no foundation to gravity. Even evolution is more credible than this garbage. Now they're talking about laws of motion, which according to scientists are behaviors that are always exhibited by everything with a gravitational field under certain circumstances. These laws are plain bullshit. The first law says that an object's velocity will stay the same unless other forces are acted on it. But when you throw something, it doesn't go on forever. It falls! Checkmate, gravitationists! And look at law number 3. It says that when force is exerted onto something, equal force is exerted back. Bullshit! Go punch a wall right now, and unless it punches you back, this law is debunked. Stupid gravitationists. They think that the moon is falling into the Earth because Earth's mass creates a gravity well in accordance with general relativity, but that's obviously not true because the moon didn't hit the Earth. I swear, this theory of gravity makes even less sense than evolution. There are more telltale signs that gravity is a lie. Take for instance the fact that general relativity cannot be applied to extremely small distances because the mathematical output converges on infinity. Gravitational theory fails to explain how gravity works at the quantum level, which obviously means that gravity is bullshit. Just like with evolution, where the fossil record isn't complete, the gravitational model isn't complete, so that clearly means that the whole theory is wrong. Finally, the nail in the coffin for gravity is the same one that killed evolution.
Scientists disagree on some of the facts.
Some physicists believe that black holes, which are essentially infinite gravity wells, lead to other universes. Meanwhile, other physicists think that there are wormholes at the centers of black holes, which simply transport you to different points in space and time. And all the while, there are physicists who don't buy into either idea. This is just like the evolution hoax, where scientists disagree over the nature and origin of some transitional forms, as well as the nuances of the mechanisms of evolution. Gravity fails for the same reasons that evolution fails, except it fails even more miserably by our creationist standards. Let's teach facts instead of theories inside of the classroom, because who cares about gravity? Evolutionary theory has never given us anything, and neither has gravitational theory.
La 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 la